Hello friends, welcome to Build Learning Club. So in this video, I will show you how can you make any image to a cartoon image instantly. You don't have to waste your time to make this, and you just use the website and you upload your photo, and then it will make the cartoon photo for you. So in this AI era, just use this. So just go to PhotoKit, and yes, this is the photo kit, and click on the photo kit, and this is very easy website. So start editing. So now open your photo. So just choose a photo. So here I choose a photo. I know this is the gaming photo. So you just choose a proper photo of your friends, of your parents, of any person. But here this is the gaming photo. And do you know what is the game name? So if you know this game, just comment below. So just now click on the cartoon. So wait sometimes. So yes, now you can see that your image has been cartoonized. So you can edit also. So go to the balance for balancing the image, and now just go to the effects. So here is lot of effects are there. So now this is very just find a very cool effect for you, and now you can also edit uh, edit the image. Okay, so in this way you can edit the image also, and now click on OK. And now you can also draw something on your image. So after that you can save your image. So just click on save, and just choose a file name, and then choose the format PNG and click on save. And you have to wait some time. It will export a proper photo for you, and this photo will be cartoonized, and this photo has been saved in your downloads folder and in the proper quality also. So now open this. So now you can see this, and you can add this image in your any project. If you are a video editor, if you are a content creator, you can make this type of cartoonized photo instantly. You can click the nature photo with the nature, you can click the person's photo and just convert to cartoonized in this way. This is far better and it will save more time. So I just show one more example. So now open an image. So this time I open a nature image. Okay, so this is a nature image. I don't think so uh, this is cartoonized or not. Yes, this is something cartoonized, but yeah, this is not so good or so pretty. Okay, so you can just I change the image also. Yes, this is a image, so I can cartoonize this image. Try to cartoonize it. Now, yeah, it's something pretty good. Now you can do effect, choose your effect. Now, yes, this is pretty good. Grayscale. If you increase your grayscale, the image look like this. So now you can edit your photo, adjust the all contrast, brightness, grayscale, blur, and just click on OK. So then you can save your photo. So another way to save your photo, just this is a trick. Just do a screenshot. Windows Shift plus S. So now do a screenshot and save it. So in this way you can save your photo, otherwise you can save your photo from here. So if you save from here, it will export in a proper quality. Okay, so always try to save from here. So in this way you can create any image to a cartoonized image very easily. So why you wasting your time? Just use this website. This website are free for this cartoonized and sketch video, sketch maker. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for interesting tutorial. And if you are interested in Python and Django, then check my channel and I also upload the computer related or web related tutorial and tricks. Thank you, friends.